What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today I'm happy to announce that we hit 500,000 subscribers! That is right, 500,000. And in honor of that, we'll be giving away a free vector. But before we do, I'm happy to announce something. I know that a lot of you guys had plans this summer, like summer camp. And unfortunately, due to the circumstances, you weren't able to do so. So I'm happy to announce that is right, I have teamed up with Robotters and Brain Chase for a 5-week scavenger hunt in which you can go ahead and sign up for less than $200. Now, the best part is that we'll be giving away the very first KhanFlicks Robo-box with over $3,000 worth of your favorite robots. You can go ahead and sign up now at the robottersquest.com link below. But you don't even have to sign up to win this amazing vector signed by me. All you have to do is finish watching this video and be the first person to solve the puzzle. Now, only the first person who sends us proof will win the vector, but as a little extra incentive, we will put everyone else who completes the challenge into a drawing for another awesome robot. Both this first puzzle and the quest will be hard, but I believe you can do it. Plus, we'll include educational art and STEM challenges every week to keep your mind sharp. And last but not least, I'm adding a link below where helpful hints will be added if too many people do get stuck. So without further ado, prepare yourself for the Robotters quest!